Share that heat of love. I wanna ride.
It's a lot of noise going on in the back. I don't want to mess up my makeup, guys, so just watch me do my makeup. I'm not gonna really be talking. It's gonna be music, elevator music in the background.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an ever since I we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
Quanta this face. You gonna quanta this face. Y'all so fake for not telling me my eyebrows was mad big. Now I'm about to go over it because y'all want to be mad fake and not tell me. That's mad fake. I don't know if I could ever get over this.
We can get away, palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an ever since how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you.
I know this is small anyways, but okay. I look like Wednesday Addams. But I'm just waiting for this to get hot so that I could I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna go to my sister's room, and because she got my flat iron, so I'm gonna just go to her room and flat iron is the rest of it here. Okay, for my lips, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my brown liner and line my lips. But I picked up this lip plumping gloss from e.l.f. called it is called Pink Sugar, I think, and it's called Pink Cosmo. Pink Sugar was not it. It's called Pink Cosmo. I don't really like lip plumping because I already have big lips and it be stinking. Unless you're looking like this, I don't need it to look like that. So hold on. Let me turn off the TV real quick. So guys, this is what we're working with. Don't look at my closet. It's a mess. I got this cute diesel shirt that I split down the middle. I cut it. First of all, do not mind the way I'm talking. I lost my voice, partying and shit. But this is an outfit. And I'm wearing these gray jeans that I had got from Fashion Nova maybe Thanksgiving weekend. I'm about to put on my lip gloss. Be right back. Make sure my light is good. But guys, this is, damn, my voice is really messing with me right now. This is a look, and I'm gonna see you guys when I get to the restaurant. Okay, let me put y'all on real quick. So the scent of the day is gonna be this Kayali perfume. Kayali, so underrated. Kayali, and this is Deja Vu. I know everybody loved Juicy Apple, but they didn't have Juicy Apple. And I went to 3 different Sephora's. They have shit. Bear with me. I know I sound like a rat right now because I'm losing my voice deadass. But I'm wearing this jacket that I got from Fashion Nova like 2 years ago. Y'all want everything? Links below. I got y'all before I put y'all on. And I'm gonna wear my forces. Be right back. It's a new year. I'm happy to be going out, but yeah, I really put y'all on. Don't have to say I didn't put y'all on. It's Kayali. It comes in a pretty ass package too. It's called Deja Vu White Flower 57. It smells divine. I'm putting on some more, but let me head out because I'm about to be late.
I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an every since I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Because you're away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. For you every time I try to resist, we can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an every since I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you because you're away.
So guys, I escaped so I can show you guys my outfit. I'm in the bathroom right now, but this is what I'm wearing right now. Let me fix my lashes because they look crazy. Was this diesel top, these jeans from Fashion Nova. Let me show y'all the back. This is how it looks. And then I got on these shoes, the crispy whites. Let me show y'all. Oh, my camera's down here. Guys, my camera's dying. I'm about to go take my pictures. See y'all later. Find it with my twin and up. I put the same one even bigger.
They ain't at me back then, but you all up on me now. Too late for your love, I just need the real around. Remember it was us, we were so down like the ground.